Welcome back. So today's video is going to be another Pretty Little Thing haul. I recently ordered a bunch of things and most of it is loungewear. Some stuff is going out stuff just in case you're going to a little function, 10 people or less. But yeah, there's some cute stuff, so keep on watching. This was a Pretty Little Thing haul, but I also did order 2 pieces from Missguided, and I thought I'd just show them in here just because I really like them. So the first thing was from Missguided. This was this camo shirt that you've been seeing everywhere. Like all of the online stores have been like copying this and faking it, but it's really from Missguided. It's a button down crop top with like balloon arms. It's so cute and it stops at like your belly button. I'll insert a picture here. But yeah, it's always sold out, so this took me like 3 months to get. I had to sign up for the alerts for when it came back in stock. But yeah, this is really cute on, but to be honest, I wouldn't recommend it. Right here, you can see like this is under the boob. There's 2. It's literally like ripping and pulling. Maybe you can see that. And I've only worn this officially like once and tried it on twice. And then the zipper at the side to button you up. There's already a hole here and it's ripping. So to be honest, it's a very cute top, but I wouldn't recommend buying it because it's also very difficult to get over your head because it is a corset. But yeah, that's the first thing I got from Missguided. Their corset type of hoodie I got from them was this gray hoodie. I do have a picture of this on my Instagram. It is also corset and it cinches in your waist, but it's like a hoodie material and it's in gray. I actually really love this. And these hooks actually do unbuckle and you can zip it all the way up or leave it open. I like to wear this with no bra because I feel like if you have a bra on, you'll definitely see the bra strap. But yeah, this is really also cute. I'll insert a picture of this as well. I love this top. So now on to the good stuff, Pretty Little Thing. Okay, so I know bucket hats are really coming back in style this season or for winter, spring. I got this stone bucket hat that actually matches with this stone bodysuit. And I'm actually surprised it fits over my wig and my braids. I actually love this. I think it's so cute. I'll definitely be wearing this because I hate my big forehead, so I love wearing hats. So like this is my year for buying a million hats. So this I believe is stone and this is also stone. It's not exactly the same, but it's wearable. So yeah, this is a bucket hat. Next thing I got was this graphic shirt. I believe it's loungewear and it says Los Angeles here. It doesn't have anything on the back or the front, but it is like a washed out forest green and I love this. I saw on the site it did come with, well, it didn't come with, but there was like matching sweatshorts and I think I'm gonna grab them for summer just because this is such a cute little vibe. This will go with Yeezys. So cute. So this is I think this is the only t-shirt I got. My favorite things out of this purchase was this Plt Branded Hoodie. It says hoodie here. It's like copying Off-White and Easy. And on the arm, I believe it says hoodie, Pretty Little Thing, seasonal. I've been eyeing this forever and this also always goes out of stock. So if you want this, I would also save the notification for this. And I got this one in a size 8 and it is oversized. And I like the bottom, how it has like it cinches it in. Because some of Pretty Little Thing's hoodies, they don't show you, but a lot of their hoodies don't like have the cinching at the bottom and they're just straight. Like the Molly May one I had on my last video, it's very straight. So you have to wear it like tucked in your shirt or your pants. Yeah, so this is a very cute hoodie. Love this. Another hoodie or sweatshirt. I got this pink sweatshirt from Pretty Little Thing. This is in a medium and this is also oversized. I bought this because I don't really have a lot of pink and I like pink hoodies, so I wanted to try this one out. And I also ordered pink joggers, but they don't match. It's really hard to tell because they name everything like baby pink. The joggers are named baby pink, the hoodies named baby pink, but they don't match. Like this is more peachy than pink. So yeah, but it's workable. I just won't wear them together, or I will, and who cares. So I tried on the pink pants with this black bodysuit. I believe this is from the Shape collection, and I got this one in a medium. It's not see-through, but it is a very nice material, like to wear with a cute pair of jeans if you're going out, to dress up or down. And I also got it in this stone color that I'm wearing. The stone is a little bit see-through. I'm not wearing a bra, but you can't see. But yeah, it's all good. Love these bodysuits, very comfortable. It's a nice stretchy material. Loungewear item, or a must-have, I got these black joggers. So these joggers I got in a size medium, and they are a little oversized, like not too much, but they're still comfortable. And these ones come with a drawstring, and they have pockets, because I've noticed sometimes they have joggers that don't have tie waist, or if they have tie waist they don't have pockets. So like I'm very picky, like especially when I got the shorts last year, the sweatshirts, they didn't have tie waist, but they had pockets. So every time I'm getting joggers or sweatpants, I always check to make sure they have tie waist and pockets, just to make them look cuter and cinch your waist. But yeah, I got these in black. They also have the cinch ankles, so it's all good. These are cute. Got was this black bodysuit. This also was going in and out of stock so fast around Christmas time. I've had this for a while and I've never worn it. It's really cute. It's black and it has a hole right above your breast and the side where your hips go. It's really cute. It does give you like the hourglass illusion, and it did come in like 3 other colors. I think I am gonna get the pink one and the nude one. So yeah, this is really cute to wear out when the world opens. You can wear this on the road when you're going out. Really cute. So I got a pair of tights. They are the gray Marl basic jersey split hem leggings. So these have the split right at the ankle. They're not too long, but they're very cute. I originally saw them in like this stone color and a taupey color, and I wanted to get them, but they were out of stock. So I said, let me just get gray because it goes with everything, and that way I can try them out. Because I have had a bad experience with Prettylittlething tights in the past. I got like an 8 and they were like 2 sizes too big. I guess because of the material they were using. But these ones I sized down from that experience and I got a size 6. I could have maybe got an 8, but these still fit fine. So I'm glad I ordered these, so now I know what size to get. I'm gonna go back and get the stone or the taupe ones. These are 95% viscose and 5% acetylene. So this is a good material. I think the material I had last time was just like all spandex and it wasn't working for me. So I love these tights. They're very cute. So if you see my other Prettylittlething haul, I got the black vinyl pants. And I said, hey, why not? Neutrals are in, so let me get the brown ones. So I got these ones in a size 6. These are the Shape Stone PU split hem trousers. And these are in a size 6 US. And this is basically the same thing. Like, there's no tie waist or anything. It's just literally like this. The line goes down. And they are split at the ankle. I don't know, for some reason I'm like obsessed with the split ankle. I think it's so cute and it shows off your shoes better. So this is really cute. I love these. I can't wait to wear these. And the last thing I got, because I have another one, I have like a green one to this. I got the Petite Camel Oversized Shacket. This I got in a size US 8. So originally the green one I had was the regular size. So I decided I wanted this color in Petite because they didn't have this color in regular size. The camel version to this was more orange and this is more cool tone that I wanted. So I ended up going in Petites. I was scared that the arms weren't going to reach my wrists, but it was fine and it worked out. So I got this shacket. Love it. It's oversized. You can dress this up or down. Wear a cute little tank top underneath and jeans or biker shorts. So I can't wait to wear this. It'll be so handy in summertime when you get cold at night. So yeah, love this color. Neutrals are in. The last and final thing I got. So a little backstory. I've ordered like maybe 5 pair of Prettylittlething jeans so far. These ones I got have buttons going all the way up to the waist. They have splits on the knees and they have the distressed bottoms. So previously in the past, I've ordered jeans where I'll order my regular size 8 and they won't even button up or go over my thighs. So I always size up. So I think the last pair I got, I sized up and they were still too big. And then these black ones fit perfectly on my waist, but then the leg is like this big. It's too big. So like I have a lot of hit and miss with their jeans, and I've returned like 3 pairs of their jeans, but like I'm determined to find jeans that fit me, or if not, I will take them to the cleaners and just get them hemmed. So these ones I really like and they fit my waist perfectly fine. So I think I'm just gonna get the inseam of the leg like taken in an inch or two. But yeah, love these jeans. More jeans to come, hopefully. They fit. Got in this haul was a pair of Prettylittlething. They're activewear. They're from the sport line. So I want to go back to the gym soon. So I thought, let me get a new pair of gym leggings because I can never find the million that I have. So I got these Prettylittlething ones, the black ones with like the design. Makes your bum look cute. Cinches in your waist. And these are high-waisted with a thick waistband. They look so small, like this is literally the whole leggings, but when you put them on, they stretch so much, and I actually love them because like when you're working out, like you don't want your pants slipping and sliding down. That's what I hate about a lot of workout stuff. When you're like doing a squat, your whole ass is like showing. It's so annoying. So I made sure that these don't move. They passed my squat test, so I would recommend these. I didn't get the matching top just because I don't really like working out in crop tops at the gym. I just feel too exposed. I like wearing oversized t-shirts. That's just me. But maybe in the future I might get the matching crop top to it because they didn't have a long sleeve regular length top. If they had a short sleeve regular length top or long sleeve, I would have got that to match it, but they don't. It's really weird. Everything is crop tops or like v-necks. I don't know. I just don't work in those tops. I don't work out in those, so yeah. So that's everything for my Prettylittlething haul. As usual, the links will be down below. Do me a favor, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, leave a comment if you liked anything or if you bought anything, and thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.